blue for the blue. Push it all the way. Look at that. You got it. Now you want to put them right here. Anything that you like the most. Work, my friend. How do we feel about it? Is that the one?
Nice. Heavy.
You say yes. It's a lot of responsibility.
Powerful.
Exactly. That's the whole point.
That's a fine weapon.
No, you made it. Exactly. I just say that's pretty good too.
We apply the crystal in this design. With harmony and balance before you flip the This is when the crystal is at its most temperamental and unpredictable. Please don't worry, you are in no danger. You're in a little danger because you're leaning against a crate of thermonuclear detonators. Wise decision. Now, my friends, we move.
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward. You will place your hands on the hilt of your completed lightsaber. And when I give you the signal, you will then, for the very first time, activate the blades. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come forward, and on my command, activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your blade, it can. May the Force be with you.